Bleeding gums are often an early warning sign that something isn't right. Many people ignore it, assuming it's normal, but it isn't. This simple symptom could indicate bacterial imbalance, gum inflammation, or early-stage periodontal disease. Common causes include plaque buildup, inflammation, or minor infections. Even if discomfort is minimal, untreated issues can escalate to serious dental problems. Saliva testing can reveal biological markers linked to gum disease, bacterial overgrowth, and inflammation. This early insight allows you to make informed decisions before symptoms worsen. MouthCAM lets you capture high-quality images of your teeth and gums from home. These images are securely reviewed by licensed dental professionals who provide guidance tailored to your situation. If your gums are bleeding, don't wait. Early detection through saliva testing and MouthCAM monitoring can prevent major problems and reduce the need for expensive treatments. Take control of your oral health today with at-home monitoring and professional guidance.